Welcome to the doghouse, y'all. Model cars and coffee on this Sunday morning. I hope everybody's having a good Sunday morning. This here is 50 Suburban. I printed, it's 3D printed. Printed myself and one of my buddies one. It done pretty good. This is my learning curve. I wasted a little bit of resin trying it out and then finally figured it out. But this is what I do with one of them. It's curbside, just a plate chassis underneath it. We got some Z-Force wheels. I put some Model Car Garage Baby Moons on it. See, they look pretty cool in there. The color was a Cadillac. It was a Cadillac color. I don't remember the name of it. It was a scale finishes. Got me a gas jug back here in the back. Nice some luggage. Take a little trip. They fun little builds. Yeah, the worst part about it is it takes you the printer. It takes the printer 5 to 10 hours to print this stuff out. And then you got to do all the cleanup. I'm getting to where I got 4 printers. I'm getting to where I'm thinking about just buying other people's stuff instead of trying to print my own. I've been working on 2 printers all morning. But anyway, back to the car. Two-tone it. This is a Tamiya. I think that was Tamiya wood is what I did the top in. The interior is some kind of tan. Done the gauges. I put some gauges in it and detailed them up. You see it pretty good in there. White ball shifter. Polished it out. Bare metal foil. Neat little build. I've always been a older, I like the old early 50s Plymouths. I always liked them things. I'm gonna print the business coupe out. Do it with this. I've always, if I could do a 1-to-1 car from scratch, I'd do one of them old 49 or 50 fat tail end Plymouth coupes and pro street the crap out of it. I just always liked them because they was real fat. I don't know. It's probably because I'm fat. But anyway, this is my model cars and coffee for this Sunday. I'd like to thank Paul over at Left Coast for putting it on. Paul's a good dude. Go check him out if you ain't. If I had one of his cars, I'd throw it up here like this, but I don't have one. One of these days, Paul will probably feel sorry for me and send me one. I'd probably send him one back. I enjoy looking at some Paul stuff. I like it, his style. If you need some model kits, remember Wes's Model Car Corner. He always does me right, and do you right too. He gets all the new stuff in pretty quick, gets it to you fast. Let's go check Wes out. Wes's Model Car Corner. Well, that's mine for this Sunday morning. Hope everybody's enjoying themselves. I'm kind of in a lull. I don't know what it is. Just changing the seasons, I guess. But anyway, remember what the K-Dog says? Be happy and model on. I figured instead of remaking the video, I just jumped back in here with a little short piece and tell you, put some pictures at the end of this of 2 that me and Kelly Coons built. We got them together and took a couple pictures. I'm gonna pop them in here at the end. Check them out, guys. All right, y'all. Remember what I say? Be happy. Model on.